What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry for my audio's dog shit. I have my AirPods in, but I got new brackets for the intercooler couplings because they keep on blowing off. So I'm gonna try double bracketing them. And right now I'm just letting my car warm up for a second so it can move it. Let's see. So hopefully it'll hold. If not, then I might just have to get a different intercooler and different pipings, but the E40 map as well. I'm still on E30 at the moment. Too, that's for sure. I kind of just creep up it on drive. Thing smells like an Indy 500 car too. Got it on the ramps again, all lined up. Let's pop the hood and get to work. I don't know if you guys could see it, but as you can see, that pipe is completely off. Same with this side. That little groove right there, the indent, is where it should be. Off. Same with this side. This little indent right here. Completely off. What? I'm gonna pull this whole radiator fan out right here. Take this all out. I gotta disconnect this wiring. It's like 3 bolts. Should be one right here. A bolt at the bottom. I gotta take that under tray out again. It's a fucking pain. It's like 10 to 8 millimeters, but has to be done. I want this thing ready to go. I'm not sure if I updated you guys, but it's about an hour later. I took the radiator fan all out, the under tray, the snorkel, got all my tools going. I completely finished running everything, so all I had to do is tighten this charge pipe, and I'm waiting because I took out the radiator fan, and when you take out the radiator fan, there's this weird little clip that the charge pipe, lower pipe, like this J pipe, hits. So this side is completely tightened. As you can see, the bottom, I had to go and run and get some new brackets, but that one's good. This top one, I did as much as I can from right here with an open in. I guess it's a 12 millimeter. And I ran 2 clamps on this side facing the bolts away from the serpentine belt, completely tightened those, so that should be good. And that bottom is very tight as well. So I'm gonna toss this radiator fan back in, clean up my mess, put the under tray, snorkel, and everything back in, and that should do it. I'm gonna go take it for some test drives, and if this blows off, then it's definitely the intercooler and piping. Don't know, I got this intercooler for free. It's an eBay like setup, so it's kind of difficult to install it. It's an eBay intercooler. I guess they run like 160 if you go and buy one. It's a 5-inch and everything, so I'm just here to test out some parts that are affordable because I want to build this 335i as affordable as possible, but still quality and well put on parts and everything. So as you know, it takes a little extra work, but I'm gonna finish this install. I'll be back when I'm completely done installing it and ready to go on a test drive. Officially done. Under trays on, snorkels on, radiator fans back in. Intercooler is fully tightened up, so we'll see if this works. As this was kind of a lot of work. It's just time consuming. It's not difficult, but I'm just praying it works because I don't want to do the same job over and over and over. Ignore the headlight bulb out, but look, pipe is tightened. I don't know if you can see this side, but charge pipe's all tightened. The bottom pipe's all tightened. I don't hear anything rubbing. Everything looks very, very good down there. Scan for any codes. Make sure we're hitting boost and everything. And if everything's good today, probably after my detail, then I'll go and get a battery charger and flash a new custom tune on this. Or maybe I'll try out a nice off-the-shelf Stage 2 Plus map and then go to the custom tune and then give a review on those or do some content on those, so we'll see. Also, thank you guys for over 9,000 subscribers. It actually means a lot to me because this is honestly my dream, is to make content on affordable builds and spread some knowledge that everyone could use in the world. So I'm very thankful for that, and I have much more planned on the way. Oh my God. Listen for any leaks or anything, but I don't hear any. Filmed in Mexico. 40. Guys, I don't know if it's because I haven't driven this thing like actually in like a week, or it's actually insane, but I could hear the turbo noise like maybe 2 times louder, and the throttle response is insane, and it's like consistent. I don't know, but oh my gosh. I'm still on the stage 1 E30 map, so I had to flash the new tune. It's fucking... Oh my... It's later the same day, same night. I got home, I flashed the new tune with the battery charger. I'm on a stage 2 plus off the shelf map with the E30 fuel mix for now, until I could go custom tune later on. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna get a few more polls in for you guys on the new setup, so, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. But thank you for watching, and thank you for 9K subs again. Let's get straight into it. I turned on burbles for a second too, so let me know what you guys think.